Meaning of hypotenuse.
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 Hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the longest side of a right-angled triangle, which is opposite to the right angle. It is also the side that connects the two other sides, the adjacent and opposite sides, of the triangle. The length of the hypotenuse can be found using the Pythagorean theorem, which states that the sum of the squares of the adjacent and opposite sides is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. As such, the hypotenuse is a fundamental concept in trigonometry and geometry, and serves as an important tool for solving problems related to angles, distance, and navigation.